Hello everyone. Now I present how to replace the new hair extension after making the last hair extension. I mean how to reconnect the hair extensions and reuse them. This is the buckle of the second generation machine. Each buckle has 5 PCS needles. On each needle we can see a hook there. Then we hang the hair extensions into the hook one by one with left hand. Now we use these 3 fingers of left hand to fix these hair extensions. And hold the buckle with our thumb and index. In this way it is very stable and solid. Now the hook side must be up. And this is the second generation Reconnect hair machine. There is 5 holes as we see. Keep the hook side up and put the buckle inside the 5 holes of the machine. Use your left hand to insert the buckle to the end. Now press the button on the machine just one time. You will hear a noise, and the reconnection is finished. You can now reuse the same hair strands for your hair extensions. Sublimate Hair thanks you for watching.